Yeah, I came down here to do some work taking this chicken coop apart, and I turn around and Sally has made her way down here. Bandit is under the bush, finding a little shady spot. I see Sandy has come down here as well, well, partially. Come here. And of course Maisie. And I think Smokey has gone and laid down in his pit of sand. Yep, he has. What's up, Smokey? There you are, Bandit. All right, I'm finished with this. So this coop was our first real coop with any size to it. We started out with a coop under the deck, and then we turned that into where we raised out babies to adulthood, and then we made the big coop right here at the back side of the flight cage, and it was always on kind of a hill, so it was weird. We had an entrance kind of about where that wood is right there going into the flight cage. So we had it up for probably a good 5 years, if not 6, altogether, and it served its purpose. It's probably about 10 feet long by about 5 feet wide. And then the flight cages, the original flight cage, is where the stack of wood is. And so the reason I put it all there is because we may use a little bit of it for projects here and there, but most of that stuff is rotted. So we'll go through it at some point this winter and throw out the stuff that we can't use. So I'm calling this finished for now, but it's nice to have that finally down. That's their new coop, which you've seen in past videos. So this one had a lot of things break into it over the years, so now that flight cage is completely netted in, so we feel safer with the animals the way it is now.